Hi, it's Kay. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you are already a part of my crew, welcome back. I'm actually headed out the door today, but before I go, I want to get your day off to a great start by sharing this quick and easy breakfast on the go recipe. Now this one's for you coffee lovers out there because one of the ingredients includes instant coffee. Alright, enough of my chit chat. Let's list these ingredients. Let's get started. Come on. We're going to use the NutriBullet today. First step, one egg. Next step, we need about 3 to 4 teaspoons of instant coffee. Today we are using this espresso instant coffee. Next up, 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. I believe I said teaspoons. I meant tablespoons, so correction, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. All right, ready for the next step? A dash of salt. 2 cups of cold milk, second cup, a few drops of pure vanilla. Let's add that lid. Grab a straw, and then you're done. Oh, that's so good. Did forget two extra things. The toppings. I like to use extra creamy whipped toppings, so we're just gonna top that. Let's remove the straw. And to add a little color to the whipped topping, I'm gonna use this cute little sprinkle container. It's for hot chocolate. It's salted caramel flavored sprinkles, and it has a couple marshmallows, if you can see in there. I think the reason why I bought this, because I thought the top was so adorable. Got this at Walmart, if you're wondering. Okay, so we're gonna top it on top. Just add a couple sprinkles. So good. If you found this recipe helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done already and you'd like to see more of my videos, subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I drop a new video. If you have any questions, comments, or requests, leave them down below. And I will see you guys next time. I gotta get going, but one other thing before I go. You are awesome. Don't you forget that. Okay, well, see you guys next time. Cooking kisses.